What up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I am pretty mad, upset right now. So I was making a tutorial on how to make a Japanese fluffy cheesecake, and I thought the camera was recording. I mean, it had the indication that the camera was recording, but I guess it wasn't. And yeah, basically the tutorial has gone nowhere now. But if anything, I'm not just gonna scratch the video. I'm gonna just start it from where I left it off. So to make this Japanese cheesecake, you will need half a cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch. You're gonna need a cup of sugar, 6 eggs, and you're gonna separate the egg whites from the yolk. You're also gonna need a stick of butter, salt, and condensed milk or lechera, whichever you have. And basically you're gonna put the cream cheese in here. Oh, you're gonna need cream cheese, by the way, I forgot. You're gonna need like about 16 grams of cream cheese, what I put. You're gonna put them all in a container like this and mix them up. You're gonna mix the cream cheese first with the yolks. Make sure you mix it good. Then you're gonna add the condensed milk, the stick of butter, and then you're gonna add the cup of milk, well, about half a cup of milk, and then from there you will add the half a cup of cornstarch and the half a cup of flour, and make sure you're mixing them together once you're adding everything. And at the end, when you see that it's getting thick, add the other half a cup of milk, and you should have a consistency like this. I don't know if you guys could tell. Well, this is the consistency of the batter that you should have. And now from there, you guys could see I have the egg white separated because of course the camera wasn't recording. And we're gonna put them in a mixing bowl like this. Put this to the side. Well, actually, let me get a spoono, a spuro. Not a spoon. I'm gonna get one of these. Anyway, we're gonna mix the eggs until they turn completely white into like a fluffy consistency, nice and spongy, like clouds in the egg. Oh, what's that dish called? Eggs in the cloud, kind of like that. But anyway, let's start mixing this up. You want this to be really fluffy, really fluffy. Once you guys get it like this, you're gonna start adding the rest of the sugar. You're gonna add about half a cup of sugar to the egg. Just mix and mix.
You want this as fluffy as possible.
There you go, this is how it should end up. You guys see that? Nice and fluffy. Now, let me get this out the way real quick. Well, now that we get this out of the way, make sure you get everything. Well, it doesn't really matter because we're gonna mix it up again right here. So now you put your what you're gonna want to do is add some salt, like about a teaspoon of salt. I like to use Himalayan salt, just a little teaspoon, like that. And from there you're gonna start adding the egg whites to your mixture, one by one, like that, like so, and then mix it up slowly. Away. You should have your Japanese fluffy cheesecake batter already made, like so. This is how it should look like. Nice and fluffy and rich and creamy. Look at that. Smells good too. Now from there we're going to transfer it into our pan. Make sure you cover your pan with saran paper, like I did here. One on the bottom and then some on the edges. I'm going to try to get this as perfect as I can. Oh, actually, let me put that right here like that. There we go. Doesn't have to be perfect, as long as it's just there. This is so it won't stick to the pan. Put that one like that. And we put this one like this. Probably should have got a bigger pan, but that's all I got for now. And now we start pouring it in. Like so. And there you go. Get everything out there. We're gonna give it a little tap. Make sure we get all the air bubbles out. There you go. That should be good. Now we grab another container, which we're gonna put that in the oven. I'll show you guys right now. Now we put it in the oven like so. Make sure the oven is already preheated at 320 degrees. and we're gonna bake it for about 25 minutes, and we're gonna add water to the container right here, like so. So we're gonna cook it for 25 minutes at 320 degrees. After those 25 minutes, we're gonna lower the temperature to 285 degrees, and we're gonna cook the cake for another 55 minutes or until the cake has risen completely or risen completely. And that's basically it. So I'll be back. Let me show you guys the end result. Well guys, after waiting an hour and 30 minutes, our Japanese fluffy cheesecake is finally done, and it looks gorgeous, as you guys could see. Mine's kind of thin because I used a thin pan. That's all I had, but yours is gonna look much fluffier if you use a regular size pan like you're supposed to. And look at it, it looks so beautiful. Anyway guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a like, and like always, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. So peace out. Here's how it looks like when it's cut. You guys could see, looks gorgeous, nice and spongy and creamy from the inside. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. So peace out.